Today I'm going to be showing you why product grouping on your e-commerce store is useful and when you should use it. So let's first of all talk about why product grouping is useful and exactly what it is. So product grouping is useful if your e-commerce store has a lot of similar products, and what you can do is you can merge all of the corresponding reviews, photos, and videos together. And this is going to help show important content for products in the same theme or category. So what's an example of this? An example that I will be showing you on my e-commerce store are stud earrings. So the only thing that really differs in the stud earrings is the style. So if there are some products that have reviews, what I would do is I would group all of the stud earrings together so that reviews for similar products will show up for the studs. So this is going to really be useful for customers who want to know if the product quality is good, if the customer service is good, because the quality is pretty standard across this product group. So now let's go through exactly how to group content. Okay, so you're going to be in your Fera dashboard, and what you do is go to settings. So settings is the little person icon here, and then you're going to go down and you're going to select product groups. Okay. So once you're in product groups, as you can see, I have a product group stud earrings. So there are 98 product groups, and it will show you how many reviews there are. So there are 3 that I probably imported from Google earlier that I hand wrote, and those are not going to be approved reviews. But you can see that there are 29 Fera approved reviews with verified badge. So basically, let's go ahead and click new product group, and I will name my product group. So I'm going to name this one necklaces. Actually, let's name it hoop earrings. Okay, so I can decide if I want to group it by name or by tag, and I'm going to do it by name, and basically I'm just going to say contains hoop. So all of these hoop earrings are going to show up. And this is nice because you can see what's out of stock, you can see what's in draft, and there are 46 products that are found. So this is good enough for me. This is really all I want. I want to group the hoop earrings together. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click save. Okay, so my group has been successfully created, and I have 4 reviews, but now for all my 46 products, 4 reviews are going to show up for all the ones that don't have reviews. So this is going to, and see, I also have photos, which is super nice. So this is going to be really useful for people who maybe want to buy the hexagon hoop earrings, but there are no reviews for them. So the triangle hoop earrings reviews will show up. So that's basically how you do product grouping. And then I'll just show you exactly what it looks like on your website. All right, here are some Santana Statement Square hoop earrings. And you can see that there are some reviews, there's some photo reviews. And it talks about the quality. So now that I have the hoop earrings grouped, we are going to be able to look at another product that is new, that has no reviews, and we can see exactly what it looks like. Okay, so these heart hoop earrings are new, and there are no reviews for this particular set of earrings, but you can see that the reviews show up, and it says, after buying a set of hoop earrings, I got these. Love the quality. So it really does speak to the quality and the weight of the new hoop earring, and they're basically the same. It's just the shape that's different. So that's how you use product grouping and how it can be useful. Let's talk about some frequently asked questions. So some people want to know if they have to keep updating product groups after they delete or change products, and no. As long as you have product tags or names in your Shopify backend, your product group will be created within the Fera app and update automatically. So the groups tab will show the number of matching products you have, reviews, photos, and videos as your products are being updated in Shopify. So basically all you have to do is create a product group once, and Fera will take care of the rest. If you guys have any questions, just make sure that you message us down here in the chat, and we'll be happy to help.